Hello, if you view my video, if you want to understand what I'm saying, you want to click what I'm clicking. Click this. Oh, this, and click. Where's this? This. Here, just here. Click and you will understand what I'm saying in the video. Hello guys, it's me Mr. Windy Alex. Today I'm playing with my friend's bridge back chat. Oh, well, just he haven't just I don't know, guys. Goodbye. Oh no, don't goodbye. Just starting the video. Coming video. Hello guys, it's me, Mr. Windy Alex, and I'm nice. I have a challenge. I'm playing with my friends on the Ford Bronco. I'm intercepting the fast meter on the Ford Bronco. Ford Bronco. Ford Bronco. Guys, I'm here. Oh, this anemometer. Oh my God! This is a giant tornado. It's here 5. I know. Oh my God. This is a giant tornado. It's here 4. No. No. I'm in the 605 tornado on the Ford Bronco with my friends. So, it's a very strong tornado. It's bigger. Take the grass always. Go! It's over. No, it's 3. Oh no, guys. No. Tornado red lifted down number 1. Oh. Yes. 5. It will fly. Go, tornado, guys, no. Go, please. Yes. Oh no. No. Oh. I wanna look up. Where I am? Oh. Oh guys, I'm what? This game. Okay. Go guys. Go. I'm not intercepting the tornado, but my friends do it. +1. Bye guys. Bye. Oh. Oh. Go. Go to the tornado, bro. Hold on. Let's go. Bronco. Bye. Bye. Please don't please. I see buy button is working. I'm interested in buy tornado. It's 1 tornado and 2. And the 2 tornado. And the 4th and 4 I'm interested in. Go! Go, please! I can't wait! Oh. Go! I think it's +2. If my friend intercepting this tornado, my friend. And I will see the tornado. Yep. Oh, it's free. But I wanted to I don't know. Intercepting again this tornado. Oh. Where's the tornado? Guys, no. Oh. I think I'm dead. Go, go, go. Go! On yes, two. Okay. The probe. Go here. Plus one. I'm going to the new server. Oh, goodness. Hello guys, it's me, and I'm doing it's day 2. I'm doing that video with my friends again. Okay, nothing. I do this challenge again. Our goal is I got in 184 miles per hour, and the domination 1 didn't even slide. Okay, I know. Okay guys, we are waiting the tornado or supercell. Oh, what's this? No, what I'm doing? No, come here. Oh, yup, bro. I'm stuck. Parking. Can someone spawn on into set? Oh, tornado vehicle. So do we like tell who we are? Yes. Yes. I want to buy sorry guys, my me is night now, but is I need to sleep. Well, okay. You can spawn the tornado with interceptor. I just want to bite. What? Don't want? Damage 1. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's Supercell. Yo, wait, I gotta reset. Measurement wind speed. Oh, where's he? Yo, no. Oh. It's Damage One. Hello, hi. Yo. Go. Woohoo! Go. Oh. Just say my name and what country live in. Don't say. Oh, the tornado is going to the moon. It's really end, guys. Alright, or it's not. Never mind. Chris. Is he here? Nope. No. Again, we're one. Again, guys. This tornado. Oh, it's EF2. Oh my God, guys. It's okay. Oh no. Never. Oh, course. Oh, strong. I can see it. It's EF3. But I can see it. It's very so. It's rage, I think. Oh, it's cone. Cone tornado. No? Please, no, please. No, please. It's rope. No, go. No, I can't. No. No. But my money? No, I'm dead. Why? Oh my god. It's very good. Sound here. I lights. No, not lights. Not lights. And quiz, I think. Near Oklahoma. It's strong tornado. It's strong. +1. +1 Oh, you see? Okay. It's okay, but it can be again F4. And it can be strong tornado. Please. Oh. Just go. Car, go now. F2. Go now. I'm chasing this tornado now. Ford Bronco now. Go. You are not fast tornado. Sorry. You are not fast car, but I need it now. Now. I say now. Do you understand me? What do you say? Oh, where is the tornado from? Oh, okay. It's not a tornado. I will kill you. I can kill you now. No, I can kill you. Oh, it's big. Very big. Oh my god. It's Albert Einstein. Rope. And go, no. Go, now. Money. Oh. No. I just want to fly. Oh my god. I think the tornado. I'm not flying. It's. Oh. No. I'm becoming a parrot. No. Go. by tornado, right? You are chased. The best storm chaser in the house. Oh, it's EF2. Not this tornado. It's EF1. Now. That's no Christmas. Moss pit. Oh, where's the probe? Where's the probe? Where's my probe? Oh, here. Hello. Hello. Here's the probe. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, the tornado, I see it. No, I can't see it. I think it can be a strong tornado. Oh, it's really strong tornado. I see. No, I can't see it. But it's a big and strong tornado. Where's it going? Where's it going? The tornado? Where? Oh, it's big. Really. The wedge. Tornado. No, no, come on, no. My probe and me. No. Okay, I can stop. Nothing. Oh, am I in? I'm in the big tornado. No, I'm not in. Probe, no, okay. Yo, car, I'm going to. I want to spawn down level 3. No, my probe. I wanna take it. I wanna take the probe. No. You two. Oh my God. I'm dead. If to tornado. +1. Okay, guys. I'm not on the Dominator Sword. It's my challenge, and I wanna to chasing on the Ford Bronco. Sorry. Quiz 1000. Not so loud. The car. No. 1,000, yeah. Oh. Please. Risk high. Okay. Guys, I want wanted to go to in the tornado, but I can't. Just I'm on the fourth bronco, and it can it will be a parrot. It can fly, and I'm and I want go to the tornado on the Domino's Street. Yep, guys. Yep. On the Domino's Street. Just I can't. Oh my god. It's big. Oh my god. It's a wedge. The point. Drop the rope. Oh. What's on the point? Oh. No, no. Oh. I hate it. No, no, no. Oh. No, I want to Selenium Pro. Yeah. Hybrid. No, no, no. Oh. Am I in the tornado? Oh, it's F1. The last tornado. Please. I wanted to go to the last tornado on the Terminator 4. Just it's very where's it going? Oh, here. Just it's very fast. Wait, okay. Yo, look, it's very fast. Oh, it's this one. Go! This is the last tornado. Don't hurt them, Ulrika. Don't. No, Malika. Oh, oh my god, it's wedge, it's a wedge, it's a wedge, it's a wedge. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, no, 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 go, 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 go. Oh! Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Please, 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 please. I'm close, I'm close, I'm close, I'm close to the road. Push. Yep, yep, yes, 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 yes. Oh, damn, there's a fall. Go! You fall, oh my god. Go down near the fall, please. Is this a tornado? Or this? No. Nope. EFO, EFO, please, 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 please. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. It's rich. It's really rich. Mega rich. My friend John. The drum, no. Dominus 3! Go, go, go! No, 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 no. Oh. No. No, 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 no. 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 Never. I think the tornado is storm chase. Oh, it's end. No? Oh. Man. Twin. Oh. No, you born. No. No. The tornado is storm chase, finally. Yeah. Oh. Hello, tornado. Hello. Yes, it's the last tornado. Oh. No deploying, no problem. No, 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 no. Okay, I want to deploy. I want to deploy. I want to deploy. Oh, oh, I'm deploying. I'm deployed. What I say? Why I say? No deploying, no problem. Okay. My money, money, money. Me, money, money, money. Oh. Tornado is strong here. And goodbye, guys. This is nothing. Bye, guys. Today, no. Okay, just nothing. Goodbye, guys.